Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Jennifer and we are currently at Walgreens and I'm ready to share with you guys some deals. I feel like it might be a little bit of a slow week this week, but we will see. You know, some stuff surprises me while I am shopping in the store. It's actually decent weather outside. I am really exhausted and tired. I want to go back to bed, but I woke up to come go shopping and then I'm gonna go back to bed when I am done filming. So let's go inside and have some fun. So my store finally has new products on hand, which is awesome, but we have the Champion one. So the Old Spice body wash is on sale this week for $7. Now we currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you will want to use. You will pay $11 for that, but since my store finally has some of the new Old Spice, I actually have a $3 IBOTTA rebate with a limit of 3, but I get I'll get $6 back with IBOTTA, making these just $5 or $2.50 each, and then I also will get my $2 bonus, which is awesome. So definitely check out to see if your store has the new scents. Mine are usually locked up right here, but these are new ones, and then I also have new Olay stuff and Dove stuff too, so that is neat. So here we have the Dove body wash on sale for $8. I think the men's is also on sale, it's just not tagged. But then we also have the Dove bar soap for $9. But we're going to get 2 of the Dove body wash. You can mix and match however you want to do it. But we currently have a $2 off of 2 digital coupon. Now I actually have 3 coupons. I have a $2 off one, a 2 off of 2, and a 2 off of 2. So however you guys want to do this, but you're going to end up using those $2 off coupons. You will pay $12, but then this is a regular sale price. You'll get a $4 register reward, making them $8 or $4 each, which is not the greatest, but if you guys need some, go for it. So make sure you guys are checking out your clearance prices, but my store has this Downy wrinkled release, just the travel size, for 75 cents, which is a great deal because this is almost time where we're going to go on vacation and it'd be nice to have it. But my store also has it says Zyrtec, but it's Coinout or whatever for $1.49. We have something Stasher Pocket for $1.99, little thingy, that's kind of cool. We have 57-cent toothpaste, and that is all I have. If you guys also have your $1 digital coupon, you can get this for free, which is awesome. So here we have another deal of the week. We have the Crest or Oral-B on sale for $3. Now my app is being wonky, but I found a deal. So we have some for $3 and we have some for $4, so it just depends on how you want. But I'm actually going to get this Kids Crest for on sale for $3. Now we currently have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that you will want to use. You can get the Burt's Bees. It is $3.50, so you'll end up paying 50 cents for the Burt's Bees if you want to do it. But you're going to pay, you're going to use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You will pay $3, but then you get a $3 register reward, making these both absolutely for free if you want to go ahead and do that. So here's a deal that's not the greatest, but the Head & Shoulders is on sale this week. 2 for $12. You're gonna buy 2 of them. We currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you will want to use. You will end up paying I lost my spot. You will end up paying $9 for 2 of them. But then you'll end up getting, then you can submit your receipt for $1.25 off of IBOTTA. So I have $1.25 off of 2. You'll end up submitting your receipt for that, making them $7.75. To me, it's not the greatest, but there is a rebate.
Welcome to Walgreens.
Make sure you welcome yourself to Walgreens. But there is a rebate where if you spend $20 with P&G products, you can get a $5 rewards back. So there's that if you guys need to spend $20. So here we have a deal of the week. Now if you do this week, both of these deals, you do have to do them in separate transactions and do not roll the register reward. So if you get a register reward from one deal, do not use it for the second transaction. It will not print. But here we have the Garnier Fructis 2 for $8 on sale, along with the Garnier Whole Blends on sale 2 for $8. Now we currently have some digital coupons. We have a 3 off of 2 for the Fructis, and we have a 3 off of 2 for the Whole Blends. So you'll end up just paying $5 for either the Garnier Fructis or the Whole Blends. But then this is a deal of the week where you will get a $4 register reward, making both of them just $1 or 50 cents each, which is a great deal. So if you need some root touch-up, the Clairol is on sale this week for $7.99. Now we currently have a $5 off 2 digital coupon. You will end up using, or you end up paying just $10.98. But then there's a deal where if you spend $15, you get a $4 register reward, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. So it's up to you. But yeah, it says it's $7.99. So is the natural instincts, but here they're saying $9.99. But it's just up to you if you guys need some hair dye. So here we have the Dollar Shave Club. The razors are $9.99. You want to buy 2 of them, and we currently have a $9.99 off of 2 digital coupons. So you'll end up paying $9.99. But there's no sale in the ad that I can find. But when I scroll down on the thing, it does say when you spend $10, you get a $3 cash reward. So I don't know if this is an online only deal. I am not sure. I'm kind of confused on it. But you can do online order and in-store pickup. But it ends up becoming just $6.99 or $3.49 each with that coupon and the cash rewards if you're interested with that. If you guys need some candy, we have some candy 2 for $2 on sale. And it's a decent deal if you need some candy. Kit Kat bars, York, but yes, 2 for $2. So here's an easy freebie. We have the Arm & Hammer Complete Care on sale for $2.99. You're going to buy 2 of them and you would pay $5.98. But then there is a Swag Bucks deal for Complete Care where you get $3 back when you purchase 2. And then we also get $1.50 back with IBOTTA, so you get $3 back with IBOTTA, making these both free and a 2-cent moneymaker. So if you need some floss picks, this is actually a pretty good deal. So we have the Walgreens brand floss picks. They're $2.49. Otherwise, they're 3 for $6. And then there is that IVC coupon, Walgreens booklet coupon for $1 back. You'll end up getting 3 of them for just $3 or $1 each, which is actually a pretty great deal if you guys need some floss picks. So here we have the Dawn dish soap on sale for $1.24. Last time it was a little bit different. We saved 5 cents, but this week we saved 25 cents. Look at that, 25 cents. $1.24. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You will end up paying just $2.
Welcome to Walgreens.
Welcome to Walgreens. You guys will pay $2.48, but then you get a $1 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them, making them $1.48 or 74 cents. You can do this deal as many times as you want, separate transactions, and do not roll the dollar because sometimes it doesn't always print out. So here we have the All laundry detergent and the Snuggle. The tag says it is $4.49, but the ad shows that it is $3.99. We currently have a $1.50 off digital coupon that you guys can use. You'll just get these for $2.49. So this is a great repeat deal. You got the Scott's paper towels along with the Scott's toilet paper. We currently have a $1.25 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, which is no longer existing, but it's basically a IVC coupon in the app. But you get them for just $3.75, which is a pretty decent deal, and it's a decent product. Just want to give everybody a heads up that these bags are on sale this week for $1.99. Do not buy them for $1.99. You can wait like a couple weeks, or it looks like every once a month they have these on sale for buy 1 get 2 free. But if you really need bags, $1.99. They also have a decent deal on their paper plates. I mean, you get some 90 plates for $5.99. This is 40 plates for $3.99. If you guys do need some plates, it's an okay deal for the end of the school year parties. Okay, you guys, we're getting these flips because I heard that they were at CVS and I've never gone to CVS, but these are going to be for a taste test. So my store is sold out of these, but they say they have them. They might be in a different spot. I've looked everywhere. But we have the Tide to Go pen removers. These are on sale for $4.99 at buy one, get one free. So you will end up paying $4.99 for 2 of them, but then you get $1 back with a limit of 5. So you'll get $2 back, making these just $2 each, or it'll be ended up being $3.99, or no, $2.99, making them $1.50 each, which is a pretty decent deal if you guys need some stuff for travel size items. So here's an okay deal for the STEM products. They are $8.99. We currently have a $7.50 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You will end up paying $10.48, but then there is a $2 IBOTTA rebate with a limit of 3. You guys will get $4 back, making them $6.48 or $6.98. That comes out $6.48. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm just not here. $6.48 or $3.24 each. So if you guys need some Lay's chips, these are on sale for $4.79 at buy one, get one free, and it's for Cheetos, Doritos, Ruffles, Lay's. But we currently have a 3 off of 5 digital coupon that you guys can use. So it does work for Doritos, it does work for Lay's, but anyways, you are going to use that coupon. Yeah, you can use it on the Cheetos, you can use it on the Lay's. I don't know what the other prices are. I have to go down the aisle. But the ones that are $4.79, you're going to buy 6 of them. You'll use that 3 off of 5 digital coupon. You will pay $11.37. That is $1.89 for 6 bags of chips, which is actually a pretty decent price considering these are $4.79. Pretty great price if you guys need some chips. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, we got some awesome Walgreens deals. I wish sometimes there would be a really hot week where you have to go like every single day. I remember those days where like I gotta go back. I just really miss those days. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens, and I am pretty excited. So I ended up getting the Arm & Hammer Complete Care toothpaste. Now Swagbucks changed their website up, or their app up a little bit. It's a little bit wonky. I got it figured out, so it just updated on me, so it did look a little bit different. It had me verify my phone number, and then when I was going to submit my receipt, it's like do it again and do it again. I'm like, what the heck? If you guys ever have problems with Swagbucks, which I have had in the past, if the app doesn't work, go to the website. If the app doesn't work, go to the website. Otherwise, if not, we'll figure it out from there. But these were on sale for $2.99. You're going to buy 2 of them. You will end up paying $5.98 for both of them, but then there is a $1.50 rebate with IBOTTA, so you get $3 back with IBOTTA, and you can submit your receipt to Swagbucks where you get 300 points, so $3, making both of these absolutely free and a 2-cent moneymaker. Now you can do this deal 4 times in one transaction, but the Swagbucks deal, sorry, there's a spot on my lens. There is a Swagbucks deal that you can only do 2 per month, and I already did it earlier this month, so make sure you guys check it out, but you can do 4 of them per one transaction depending on if you did that deal or not. Then I ended up getting the Children's Crest toothpaste. These were $3 on sale. You want to buy 2 of them. You're going to get a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that you're going to end up using. You'll pay nothing. Or you'll pay $3. Sorry, you guys. You'll pay $3, but then you get a $3 register reward, making these both absolutely free, which is a great deal for that. I ended up getting one of these Downy Wrinkle Releaser. We are going on vacation this summer, and I thought we might just need it. Husband kind of wears dressy shirts, and in case we need something, this is a perfect little size for us to have in our little to-go box, or a little travel size box, so I had to get that. I also ended up getting the Dawn dish soap. These were I'm losing my stuff. These were $1.24. You would end up paying $2.48 for the both of these, but then you end up getting a $1 register reward. All of these are manufacturer register rewards, but you get a $1 register reward, making these $1.48 or just 74 cents each, which is a great deal if you guys need some soap. I also got the Garnier Hobelens and the Garnier Fructis, okay? So, and we also got some printable coupons, and if you guys need some printable coupons, definitely do this deal multiple times because this is a great deal. So these were 2 for $8. You want to use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon, or there's a printable. I don't know if I bought an insert, but the 3 off of 2, you will pay just $5 for each of these. Now you have to do them in separate transactions, and you do not want to roll your register rewards. Sometimes you can. Somebody will chance it and let you know, but I don't chance it because I just rather have everybody be on the safe side. But you will end up, you'll pay $5, but you will receive a $4 register reward, making both of these just $1 or 50 cents each, or $1 or 50 cents each, which is a great, great deal. You guys cannot pass up an awesome deal on shampoo and conditioner. And then this was the last deal that I ended up doing. My store no longer carries any all products except just the free and clear, which is odd, and I'm like, when did that happen? But yeah, so we ended up getting the Old Spice body wash. These were $7. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys would want to use. You'll pay $11 for this. But my store finally got some of the ones that are with the Old Spice. I bought a rebate, so I had to go and get that deal. So I got $3 back and $3 back with IBOTTA, making these just $5 or $2.50 each. I needed one more rebate to get my $2 Old Spice bonus, so I got $2. So these end up becoming $1.50 for me, which was a great deal. They kind of smell like my husband, so yes, I couldn't pass up. I couldn't pass that up, and my store's like, yeah, we got some more stuff, but I get a kick how some of it's locked up and some of it's not. But anyways, I was just happy to finally see it in stock. So that was my haul, you guys. I didn't go crazy. I wanted to get the Tide pens, but my store was sold out. They said they had it in stock online, but I just could not find it. But my total came to $26.42. Now keep in mind, I don't pay that price. I pay with points, I pay with register rewards. But when I give you guys my price, it's not factored in there. And I got a bug flying in front of me. But anyways, I ended up paying $26.42. I got $9.10 back with IBOTTA. I had a 10-cent body wash rebate. And then I also received that $2 bonus. And then Swagbucks, I received $3 back. With points, I only received 24 cents, and then I did receive $12 of register rewards, making everything 8 cents. 8 cents, you guys. A dime. 8 pennies. 3 pennies and a nickel. Like, literally, that's what I paid, and I'm pretty excited with everything that I got. I was super excited to get that Old Spice deal, because I really wanted to do that bonus before it expired. But that was everything that I got. It is kind of a slow week, but there's some great deals that you definitely want to check out. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love helping people. You subscribe to my channel. I help you guys save money and a lot more fun. And we just have fun. Just have fun. And I have a lot of educational videos coming out over the next couple weeks on how to coupon. I have a lot of them already coming out, or already out. There's more coming out. Once I can get more content to be filmed, most likely a lot of it will be filmed more at the end of summer when my kids go back to school more full-time. I will be pushing out more stuff, so you guys will definitely want to stay tuned for that. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Thumbs up the video if you enjoy it, and I will see you guys again later. Bye-bye.